and I have a box of fans. I'm gonna do a giveaway, yeah, so I'm gonna show you what's inside. We're talking about these OTG fans. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away about 5 of these. I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be doing more of these stuff often, because I'm gonna be doing more of these giveaways more frequently with different gadgets and, you know, small gadgets that you can use with your mobile devices and so on. So yeah, I know that you wasn't expecting that, but I do have, you know, a good bit of them, different colors and so forth, and they also have them for iPhone as well, but unfortunately all these that I have here for Android phones. So what I'll be doing, I'll be giving away 5 of these worldwide, international. So the first 5 persons who comment on this video, I'm gonna give you one of these. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to work this as well. This will come in 2 pieces and you need to attach this like this right here, and then with this now you can plug this into a phone or any other OTG capable device that you can use, a power bank, and also any micro SD device that would send power off. So you can use this with your cell phone. I have a solar charger here that I'm gonna use this with, and also you can use this with any other device that can power a micro port. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how, you know, it's working. So this is what we are talking about here, and to be honest, yeah, we are getting some good breeze coming our way. It sort of look like it's in a bit of a slow motion there, but it's actually spinning very fast. Yeah, this thing can really cool us down in a hot environment. A very small gadget to have, very affordable as well, and I'll be giving away 5 of them. And I do promise you guys that, you know, I'll probably be giving more away, but it all depends upon your interaction below in the comment section as well. And also I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here on my channel, as I'm seeking to grow my YouTube channel more. So guys, as I said, we can see here that this thing will work with different micro USB power source, just like this solar charger. It will also work with your cell phone. And let me just make one important statement here. This will only work with your phone if it is OTG. Your phone has to be OTG. If it is not OTG, it will definitely don't work. So I hope that this video was helpful, and this is just another amazing gadget. And whoever invented this, I would say this is a good invention in using your mobile phone to cool you down. I do know that they have fans as well for computers, so this is still a good invention that we can say, you know. So this one is mine. I'll be keeping this to use, and I'm not gonna tell you how much I have, but I have a good bit here. and I'll be giving away. So guys, comment down below. I'm Lens. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Share this video to a friend and also subscribe.